Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 8 against the iPhone XS Max. This is a follow-up part 2 video, as previously the Mi 8 was on Oreo, so now it's on the Android 9 Pie update. We have the Snapdragon 845 with 6GB of RAM versus the 8 Bionic with 4GB of RAM. So let's get started. Up first is the Xiaomi Mi 8. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 845 CPU and the Adreno 630 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Then we have the iPhone XS Max. It has a Super Retina AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of iOS 12. It has the new 8 Bionic CPU and in-house Apple GPU and 4GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Xiaomi Mi 8 wins by 2 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So in round 2, the iPhone XS Max wins by 2 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of these scores. In round 1, the Mi 8 won by 2 points. However, in round 2, the iPhone XS Max, and that was also by 2 points. In the first speed test between these two phones, the iPhone XS Max won. Here you could say it is a draw. As for the price difference, the iPhone XS Max costs about 3 times more than the Mi 8. So it really comes down to how much money you have and if you prefer Android or iOS. One thing to bear in mind is that the Mi 8 has the older Snapdragon 845 CPU, and we will be seeing the new Snapdragon 855 CPU in the next couple of months. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you have that bell notification enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.